Hello friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and we are going to have kielbasa soup. Okay, so we're going to need 4 cups of cut potatoes. Okay, 1 onion. One rope of beef kielbasa or whatever sausage that you like. And 4 cups of chicken broth. Ooh, yes. Okay, then we're going to throw in some garlic. Just measure with your heart. Measure with your heart. Okay, Italian seasoning. Measure with your heart. Because that's what we do in our kitchens, right? Okay, and don't forget the pepper. Okay, what we do now is stir that up. We are going to let these potatoes cook until they soften, and we'll be back to throw in more ingredients. We are going to cook this on high for, I'm going to say 3 hours. I will see you then. Okay, now we're going in with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1 cup of sour cream. Is it snowing where yous are? We're in a blizzard right now. And those are not fun. Okay, we're going to stir. Stir in that cheese and that sour cream. Oh my God, this smells so wonderful. So glad I made this today. It just seems to be a good choice for cold weather. I'm going to take my meat masher and I am going to go kind of chop up, well, mash up sort of some of those potatoes. Oh, this smells so good. What is your favorite soup? This is kielbasa soup, and I think this might be my favorite. Okay, we're just going to leave it at that. Get a bowl. Get your ladle. And the soup smells delicious. Okay, we're going to get that lid back on there. I know that this is crazy hot. Ooh, boy. Like it's steaming off of my spoon. So I just took some of the juice because it is so hot. Okay, the potatoes are done. And of course we know the sausage is done. This is perfect, especially for the cold weather. Friends, this is amazing. Try it, okay? So if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And friends, keep cooking. I love you all.